Klarna, the Swedish fintech that recently swept onto public markets, is once again expanding its workforce after going public. Its chief executive, Sebastian Siemiatkowski, has acknowledged that the company once leaned too heavily on AI, fantasizing about replacing thousands of human roles with automated workers. Siemiatkowski confessed that the company had, at one point, aimed to halt human hiring for several years and to roll out AI agents that could cut customer service costs and push up revenue per employee. The aim now, he said, is to strike a new balance between AI and human staff. Klarna's operations in the current year have left about 3,000 employees on the payroll from 5,500 in 2023, according to TechCrunch on Wednesday, September 17, 2025. With wage costs falling, Klarna plans to reinvest a large portion of that savings into cash compensation and equity for staff. It's important to note that Siemiatkowski did not close the door to future human hires. "We believe human customer service will always be special," he said, likening it to how consumers pay more for hand-tailored clothing than for machine-made garments. "So we believe both can coexist. We can use AI to automatically remove monotonous, tedious tasks, while also guaranteeing our customers a human connection." He also noted that engineering roles at Klarna have not diminished as much as positions in other areas, though that could change over time. "What I'm examining internally is the re-emergence of business folks who learn to code on their own," he stated, adding that many engineers today face the challenge of lacking business understanding. He argued these hybrid profiles could become increasingly valuable as they leverage AI alongside business insight. IPO momentum on Wall Street. Klarna's initial public offering last week raised about $1.37 billion, pricing at the top end and giving the company a valuation around $15.1 billion. The fintech firm offered 34.3 million shares at $40 each, with demand for the deal exceeding supply by more than 20x, according to Bloomberg news sources. Despite the strong showing, Klarna's current valuation marked a sharp decline from the roughly $45.6 billion implied by its 2021 funding round led by SoftBank Group Corporation. As a contrast, venture capitalist Sequoia Capital, unlike SoftBank, pocketed billions, having backed Klarna with roughly $500 million over the years. Klarna's buy now pay later model and some early investors sold all 34.3 million IPO shares. Sequoia's Andrew Reed, a partner and Klarna director, called the IPO a milestone in the company's history, though the journey to the public markets has been marked by ups and downs that have at times influenced its relationship with the venture firm. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates.